guys, today's topic is about multiplication of decimals. So natay example there nga 4 times 1 and 2 tenths is equal to n, and 42 and 25 hundredths times 12. So kung mag-multiply ito o decimal, i-ignore lang nato ang decimal point and proceed ta sa pag-multiply, and then count the decimal place in the product based on the total number of decimal places in the factor. So note, count the number of decimal places from the right. Okay, so kasar na to 1.2 times 4. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 1 is 4. So 1 and 2 tenths na ay 1 decimal place. Sa whole number nga 4 is 0. So count from the right, kay 1 naman. So 1. So dili ang atong decimal point. Next is so plus na ito 42 and 25 hundredths times 12. So let's multiply. 2 times 5 is 10, bring down 0, 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, next. So 1 na punta. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 4 is 4. So let's add, bring down 0. So this is 10, okay, 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7, and 8 plus 2 is 10, bring down 0, okay, 1. So this is 5. So, tanaw na ito ang decimal places. So, diri na ay 2 decimal places. Sa 12 is wala 0. So, meaning duara ang itong i-count from the right. Count from the right. 1, 2. So, naala na diri ang itong decimal point. So, ang itong answer is 507. Okay. Over 3, 86 hundredths times 5 hundredths. So first, itong i-cluster, 0.6 times 0.5. So let's multiply. 5 times 6 is 30, bring down 0, 33. 5 times 8 is 40, so 43. So 3, 34, and this is 5 times 0 is 0, bring down 4. Next is multiply na ito. Tanan ang 0. So 0, 0, 0. Next na 0 is 2 na ito. Let's add, bring down 0. 0 plus 3 plus 0 is 3, 4, and 0, 0. So atong i-count ang mga decimal places. So 3 na ay 2 decimal places. Sa PCAS mode is na ay 2 tapos decimal places. Total of 4. So maghihap ta og 4 from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So draw to 1, 2, 3, 4. So diri ang atong decimal point. Kay 4 man ang atong decimal places. So munang 4 ang atong count sa right. Next is 12 and 19 times 66 and 3/10. So ignore na nato ang decimal place decimal point. So 3 times 9 is 27, 7 is 2, carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2, 5. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Next, 6 times 9 is 54. So 54 is 5. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. Bring down 1, carry 1. 6 times 12 is 13. Carry 1. So 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So let's add. Bring down 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. Bring down 7. So determine na ito ang decimal place. So diri ay 2. Decimal place. Diri siya pikas is 1 decimal place. So total of 3. So count og 3 from the right. 1, 1, 2, 3. So 3 ang atong decimal places. Decimal point. So diha ang atong decimal places. So therefore mo na atong answer. One example is 10 and 32 hundredths times 5 and 74 hundredths. So let's start na to guys. 10 and 32 times 5 and 74. So let's multiply. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 1. So 4 times 0 is 0, 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry 1. 7 times 3, 21. Plus 2, 22. 2. 7 times 0 is 0 is plus 2 is 2. 7 times 1 is 7. Next is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So tungod 0. Carry 1. 5 times 3, 15. Plus 1, 16. Carry 1. 5 times 0 is 0. Plus 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. So let's add. Bring down 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. Bring down 5. So let's count the decimal places. 2 decimal places. Because is 2 decimal places. So count 4. So na 4 ka decimal place. So count ang 4 from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So diri ang atong decimal point. So atong answer is 59 and 2,368 thousandths. So that is our final answer.